How to restore missing chat history on Facebook Messenger. Before we start, like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Facebook Messenger tips. If your chat history is missing on Messenger, here's how to restore it safely. First, check if the chat is archived. On Messenger, tap your profile, Archived Chats. If your messages are there, simply unarchive them. Second, make sure you're logged into the correct account. Missing chats sometimes appear if you're using a different Facebook account. Third, try logging out and logging back in, or reinstalling Messenger. This refreshes the app and can restore messages synced with Facebook servers. Fourth, check message requests or filtered messages. Some messages may appear under spam or message requests, not the main inbox. Fifth, for older messages, use Facebook Download Your Data. Go to Facebook Settings, then Your Facebook Information, download your information, select Messages, then Download. You'll get all your past chats in a file. Pro tip: always enable cloud backup and keep Messenger updated. This prevents accidental message loss in the future. That's it. Now you know how to restore missing chat history on Facebook Messenger safely. If this helped, like, subscribe, and comment restored.